Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. Turkish traditional, lamb Tas Kebab recipe. Lamb kebab will be made in this video. This meal will be 40 people. First, which ingredients will be used, and you will follow the preparation phase and the cooking phase. Materials to make bull kebab. Lamb thighs and arm parts, to be used, use the fat-free parts, please note. 15 onions. 5 kilograms of potatoes. 400 grams of green pepper. Spices. Black pepper. Salt. Cumin. Granulated sugar. Powdered meat bouillon. Dried oregano. Crushed garlic. Breadcrumbs in a bowl. Liquid sunflower oil. Firstly, lamb should be prepared boneless. The lamb should not be newly slaughtered, so use at least 2 days rested meat. Remove the lamb's thigh from the bone. Remove the lamb arm from the bone. Lamb meat extracted from bones. Total 6 kilograms of meat will be enough for 40 people. So you need to calculate at least 150 grams of meat for one person. Boneless lamb chopping. Washing of meats. Prepare chop the meats and boil water in a large pot. Add a few bay leaves into the boiling water. Add 1 spoon of dried oregano. Add the chopped meat and mix. Wait 10 minutes. Remove the meat into the strainer, after 10 minutes without water. Meat will not be cooked in this way. The purpose is to wash the meat. Chopping onions. Add the chopped onions to the meat. Cooking meat. Add liquid sunflower oil into the saucepan, and allow to warm. After the oil is warm, add meats and onions and stir. Stir in this way for 5 minutes. Add the spices and stir for 2 minutes. Add boiling water. Cook in this way for 2.5 hours, set the stove to a low level. Chopping peppers. Chopping potatoes. Add the peppers after 2 hours. Add the chopped potatoes to the hot frying oil. Remove potatoes after 15 minutes. Add a bowl of breadcrumbs into the dish. The purpose of this is, for the consistency of the food. In order not to spoil the taste of the food. Breadcrumb instead of flour or starch. Make sure the meat is completely cooked, and add to the baking tray. Add the fried potatoes. Add thyme and leave in oven. Remove from oven after 10 minutes and serve. Add rice and serve. Effortless, with little ingredients and a very delicious meal. Enjoy your meal. We have come to the end of the video prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you in a new video. Goodbye. Good.